बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज राजिदा रजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4। माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, पाकिस्तान। Today we are going to learn grade 8 all elements for all level science commerce group, new syllabus mathematics book series 7th edition, chapter number 1 quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1 solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type questions. Question number 3, express each of the following expressions in the form of x plus a whole square plus b. Also the form of quadratic equations are written. We are going to do the third one. So, also the methods are written 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to do the completing the square method. Book answers and the steps are written. You can see it. We are going to start this book, O level maths 3. Now, yes, the first step is take coefficient of second term. So, here will come 9 upon 2. Then here will come x square plus 9x minus 1 plus bracket. Divided by 2. Then this put square. Okay. Plus, yes, 9 upon 2 whole square is equal to 9 upon 2 whole square. Then add, subtract the square term, solve. Okay. So here will come x square plus 9x minus 1 plus 9 9 is 81, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 9 9 is 81, 2 2s are 4. Then this minus 1 will be go there, this will be plus 1. (81 upon 4) plus 1 upon 1. Then we take the LCM, and here we will take the use right hand side a plus b whole square or a minus b square formula. So here will become x plus 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to 85 upon 4. Then this 85 upon 4 will become here. This will be minus. So, x plus 9 upon 4 whole square minus 85 upon 4. And this is become our answer. So, the book answers are written. You can check it. X plus 9 upon 4 whole square. X plus 9 upon 4 not 2. Sorry. (9 upon 2 whole square minus 85 upon 4 minus 85 upon 4. It simple means this is correct. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.